Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk Skeleton. I'm George Skeleton and Nora.
I'm Nora. And George, before we even start today, I have a question for you.
Okay.
Someone asks you in English, what did you eat for breakfast? Simple question. What happens in your brain?
Okay, so first I think of the answer in my language, then I try to find the English words, then I try to put them in order, then I check if the grammar is correct, and by that time,
The person is already eating lunch.
the conversation is completely over, they've moved on, started a new life, have grandchildren now.
Yes, exactly that. And today, that's exactly what we're fixing.
Today's topic? Stop translating in your head.
Because translation is the #1 reason English speakers freeze mid-conversation.
Not grammar, not vocabulary, translation.
And the good news, it's fixable with simple daily practice, starting today.
Let's go.
Okay, George, let's start with the real problem. Why does translating slow everything down?
Because your brain is doing two jobs at the same time.
Exactly. First, thinking the idea. Second, converting it into English. That's double the work.
And conversations don't wait for double the work.
Right. Native speakers think directly in English. No converting. No middle step. Just thought, straight to mouth.
Thought straight to mouth. I love that.
And that's the goal. Building a direct connection. English thought, English words. No detour through your native language.
Okay, but how? Because right now, my brain has a very strong detour habit.
We all start there. Let me give you a real example. You're at a restaurant. The waiter asks, "What would you like?"
Okay, so in my head, I think, I want the chicken sandwich. Then I translate, chicken is chicken, sandwich is sandwich. I want, how do you say I want?
And the waiter is just standing there.
Just standing there, staring at me, judging me with his eyes.
Okay, now imagine instead you already know the phrase, "I'll have the chicken sandwich, please." You practiced it before, it's already in your mouth.
So I don't need to translate, I just say it.
Exactly. That's the shortcut. Preloaded phrases, ready to use. No translating needed.
Pre-loaded phrases, like saved files in your brain.
Perfect way to say it. And we build those files through practice, through repetition, through hearing and saying things so many times they become automatic.
Okay, listeners, let's practice right now. Repeat after me. Ready?
Ready?
I'll have the chicken sandwich, please.
I'll have the chicken sandwich, please.
Say it again, out loud. Don't just read it, say it.
I'll have the chicken sandwich, please.
One more time, faster.
I'll have the chicken sandwich, please.
See, that's already in your mouth now. Next time you're at a restaurant, it comes out automatically. No translation needed.
That's exactly how it works. Small phrases, practiced until they're automatic.
Okay, let's talk about real situations because this translation problem, it happens everywhere.
Everywhere. Let's start with introducing yourself. Someone asks, "Tell me about yourself."
Oh, this one. This one is dangerous because in my head I have so much to say, but by the time I translate all of it,
You just say, "I am fine, thank you."
yes, completely unrelated answer, I am fine, thank you, and walk away quickly.
Okay, so the fix, don't try to translate everything you want to say. Use a simple preloaded answer.
Like what?
My name is, and I'm from, and I work as, or I study. 3 short pieces. That's it.
My name is George Skeleton. I'm from, well, somewhere dark, and I work as a podcast host.
Perfect, simple, natural. No translation needed.
Listeners, your turn. Right now, out loud. Say, my name is blank, I'm from blank, I work as blank, or I study blank.
Say it 3 times. Each time a little faster.
Because speed comes from repetition, not from thinking harder.
Never from thinking harder.
Okay, next situation. Phone calls. Because phone calls, they are a special kind of terror.
Why phone calls specifically?
Because on a phone call, you can't see the person's face. You can't read their lips. You can't use hand gestures. It's just pure English flying at your face.
Flying at your face. Okay, yes, phone calls are harder because all your visual help is gone.
And when someone speaks fast on the phone, my translation system completely crashes.
So what do you do?
Currently, I panic, hand the phone to someone else, pretend I have bad signal.
Okay, we need better solutions than that.
Please!
Okay, for phone calls, prepare phrases before you call. Not full sentences, just key phrases.
Like what?
Could you repeat that, please? I didn't catch that. Could you speak a little slower? One moment, please.
These phrases, I don't need to translate them. I just need to have them ready.
Exactly. Preloaded, ready to use the moment you need them.
Listeners, repeat after me. Could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
I didn't catch that.
I didn't catch that.
Could you speak a little slower?
Could you speak a little slower?
These three phrases, they save you in any phone call, any conversation, any moment when English comes too fast.
And the beautiful thing, when you use them, you sound confident. Not lost, confident.
Because you're controlling the conversation, not just surviving it.
Now, George, let's talk about the actual solution. How do you stop translating?
Step 1, start thinking in single English words, not sentences, just words.
Explain that.
Most people try to think in full English sentences immediately. That's too hard at the beginning, so start smaller.
Like, you feel hungry. Don't try to build the whole sentence. Just think, hungry. One word, English.
You see a dog. Don't translate, just dog, English.
You feel tired. Just tired, English.
Single words first, then short phrases, then sentences slowly. Your brain builds the shortcut.
And every time you label something in English, you're making that shortcut a little stronger.
A little faster.
A little more automatic.
Step 2, describe your surroundings. Right now, wherever you are, look around and describe what you see in English, out loud or in your head.
I'm sitting on a chair. There's a table in front of me. My phone is on the table. The room is quiet.
Simple sentences, no grammar pressure, just what you see in English.
This trains your brain to observe the world in English, not translate the world into English. Observe it directly.
Big difference.
Huge difference.
Step 3, shadowing. This one is powerful.
What is shadowing?
You listen to English and you repeat it immediately, at the same time, like a shadow following the sound.
You can do it with this podcast, with English movies, with any English audio.
Listen, repeat immediately. Don't think, don't translate, just follow the sound.
At first, it feels impossible. You'll be half a second behind. You'll miss words.
That's fine. Stay with it, because shadowing trains your mouth and brain to work together in English without the translation step in the middle.
Listeners, try it right now. I'll say a sentence. Repeat immediately after me.
I want to speak English naturally.
I want to speak English naturally.
Every day I practice a little.
Every day I practice a little.
I don't need to translate. I just speak.
I don't need to translate. I just speak.
That's shadowing. Simple, powerful. Do it every day for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, that's all.
Step 4, self-talk. Talk to yourself in English every day.
This is the one most people skip because it feels strange.
Very strange. I tried it and felt like a complete weirdo for the first 3 days.
And after 3 days?
It started feeling normal, and my brain started producing English faster because I was practicing constantly without needing anyone else.
Self-talk means narrate your day in English, out loud or quietly.
I'm getting up now. It's cold this morning. I need coffee. I have a lot to do today.
Simple thoughts, simple sentences, in English, directly, no translation.
And every time you do it, you're building that direct road from thought straight to English, no detour.
The more you use the road, the faster it gets.
Until one day you realize you're not translating anymore. You're just speaking.
And that day, it feels like a superpower.
It really does.
Now, let's talk about one thing that makes translation worse, and most people don't realize it.
What's that?
Trying to say everything perfectly.
Oh, yes, this one.
When you try to be perfect, your brain slows down. It checks every word, every tense, every pronunciation.
And while it's checking, the conversation moves on.
So the solution, let go of perfect. Focus on clear. Focus on understood.
Did they understand you? Yes?
That's success. Grammar can be messy, pronunciation can be rough, but if the message got through,
You won. That's communication. That's the whole point.
translation kills fluency. Fast English comes from direct thinking. Stop building sentences in your language first.
Your brain needs an English shortcut, and you build that shortcut one small practice at a time.
Every day, consistently, without pressure.
Now, your challenge for today. Simple.
Tell us in the comments, what is one sentence you always translate before speaking in English?
Just one sentence. Write it in English, practice it, say it out loud right now.
Because that comment, that one sentence, that's your speaking muscle doing a tiny workout.
And tiny workouts, every day, they build real strength.
Subscribe to Talk Skeleton. New episodes every week. Real English, real practice, no stress.
Until next time, keep going, keep speaking. Calm mind, clear English.
See you in the next episode. Keep going. You've got this.